Hi DGCNs. At this channel, we are exploring ready-to-use application software scripts through which we can create a digital asset and start earning online. So it is a great way to have a digital asset in terms of a cloud-based software, and you can offer the same to your clients, and even you can use for your business, or even if you are a student, you can use that particular script for your assignment and projects. So because ready to use scripts available at Code Canyon comes with complete source code, and we can simply install and the script at our hosting, at our domain, and start using the application without any doubt. In this video, I have a great ready to use ERP solution called Infix, and we are going to overview all the features available in this ERP system. And as you know, ERP system is the best way to automate the business operations. So it is going to be a very useful tool for your clients or for your business. So let us overview the Infix Bridge, that is a complete ERP solution. And once you watch this complete video, you would be able to take a wide decision about using this application software for your business. And this comes below, again, this is a solution below $100. So we are exploring only those solutions that uh, can be used under $100, because the script is available for just for $49, and if you are taking the domain and the hosting, it will be complete solution under $100. So Infix Base is a open source business management ERP, and it also includes point of sale. So this is going to be a complete solution, and let us overview all its features so that we may understand this business solution, open source ERP business solution for ourselves, and how it can be helpful for us. So I'll show you different screen. First of all, I'm showing you the super admin screen that is available for the project owners or the software owners. Suppose you are being the super owner, super admin, and you will have these facility. So let us start with the dashboard. And the dashboard, each time when we are logging to a dashboard on a super admin login, the dashboard will show us the complete layouts, complete in and outs of the system, what is going inside the system. So in the crisp manner, it is a summary of all reports that is visible on the screen itself on a single dashboard. So you can get to know what is going on the system and the business that is using the ERP solution. Next, I like to start from the system setting that we have to do for very first time. This is one time setting, and I'm going to show you the screens through which you can set this ERP system for your business. So as you know, you can host this complete solution to your cloud, and this complete solution is going to be yours. You are going to be owner of this solution for uses, of course. So it is coming from the developer, of course, and you have to buy the solution at the Code Canyon through the link given in the video description. But yes, once installed, you are going to be the complete super admin of this solution, and your data will be yours. You are not going to share any data with the developer. So this is a very important thing if you are using a ready to use scripts and a cloud-based solution. So not external cloud, it is going to be your solution, hosted at your server. So it should be very clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. We are here to help you in every respect in terms of installation, how you can set up the complete system and all. So let us start with the basic setting screen that you have to do for the very first time. First of all, activation. So this is an activation screen where we can go for email verification and activate and all of such things. So this is basic. So how you want to activate the system, like email verification, you can enable, disable, and mail notification, system notification, and system registration. So this is a very clear screen, and you will also get the complete documentation with the pack. So don't worry for this. In the general setting, we have to upload our business logo for which we are creating this system. We are going to use this system and fav icon. And further, currency can be selected here. Currency symbol can be changed and the currency code can be changed. Like if you are going to use the system in India, you can choose the EFGHI rupees as your currency, and you can place the currency symbol accordingly. So it is very readily available, and the preloader will show the you can change the preloader. In fact, once we change the basic parameters like the default payment and preloader, currency, time zone, and all such things, we can simply save the basic credentials, and your system will start working according to your choice. And you can completely white label the solution. You can change the name. I am showing this demo instance coming from the developer itself. This is why I cannot change this all things, but at your installation it will be readily available for all changes. So don't worry for this. You can simply white label the complete solution. Company information for which it is going to be used, and you can simply change all this information like the company name, phone number, address, and email and all. Invoice setting, how you want to show your invoice, and you can simply change. SMTP is the basic setting through which email is going to be exchanged, and similarly you can configure the Twilio SMS or text to local SMS options, so you can integrate the Twilio gateway for exchanging the information through SMSs. Email template you can use, and you can simply change the email templates as and where required. So it will be simply editable, so you can change all the formats, all the information available at email. Different email templates are here like quotation templates, team member invitation, project member invitation, and all such templates are available. Similarly, SMS template you can change. The default settings are here, and you can use the shortcodes for changing the basic templates. So these are very simple screen for system settings, and we can proceed further for overviewing rest of the feature that is available in the system. Like setting we have seen, and PDF fonts you can change here. So just in case if you want to add new fonts in the PDF, you can add a new font, and it is a very good thing that you can change the fonts according to your choice. Next is payment method setting, in which you are going to exchange with the system, and the payment is to be received, or even you can pay to your clients. So two payments gateways are already integrated, Stripe and PayPal. Stripe works well in India, PayPal for international payment. So you can use both simultaneously depending upon your requirement. Tax is another thing, because everything is taxable nowadays, and of course you can set the GST tax or whatever is applicable in your area or your country or in the location that you are going to use, and you can change the main branch and the different branch, just in case if you are creating using the system for different branch. You can set the branch and languages, so you can change the language, like you have English option, Bengali option, so you have language options as well, so don't worry. So you can use the system in any language. Similarly, you can set the city and states and the country that is applicable for your system where you are going to use. So this is the country information. You can select your country and state, and you can get all the list, and further you can select the actions for changing all these parameters. So I'm not going to show these simple screens, because this is very simple settings that you have to do at a very first time. So you can set the countries where you are going to be your system is going to be used, or you are going to be transact with these countries. Language setting is equally available. Currency you can decide here. So this is a very important setting. First of all, you have to go for currency, and the system will interact in the currency that you have selected here. And the intro prefix, like you can change the basic about the purchase order, like basic things. So you can select all these things and edit the basic things that is visible to a system, like prefix name and all. So whatever you want to change, you will be able to edit all these templates. Further, module manager is here, so you have to handle the modules that you are going to use, and this is based on license, so you have to activate the license or such things here. And next is, I can show you the system settings and update option. Just in case if the new release comes for this particular system, you can update your system here. You can browse the file, and you can even update from local directory, and you can check updates and all such things. So this is a complete setup, one-time setup for your system. And next you can even choose the styles, what you want to keep at your system. It is basically the layout customization and the themes that you want to use at your system. So you might be liking certain type of layouts. So these are the functions available through which you can change the layouts as well. Like styles are here, theme customization, you can customize the basic theme of your system, and you can completely change the colors and fonts wherever you want. So this is completely in your control. It is not like preset. So you have the complete control, and if you want to change these things, you will be able to do the same. Like change the view. If you want to change the view, you can change the view as well, normal view or the compact view, like this. Next, some utilities has been given for you, like cache clearance and the clear log, and enable app debug. Just in case your developer or you are willing to have these changes or use these changes, you can do this. Backup is another very important function that you can keep using for and taking regular backup of your system, and it is a very important thing. So if you are choosing the system, using the system, you have to take regular backups, and you can further download the created backups at your local machine, or you can even keep these backups at your machine, and you can further use that backup files that is available in SQL for database file. So you can restore the backup as well. So it is very useful file. Useful feature that is available at your system. And the next is a very important thing, that is showing the activity logs, what is going in your system. As you are going to be super admin at your system, you have to keep track of what is going inside the system. So user activity log is here, what user is doing with the system, what is the user role, and what he has done, like mail notification has been updated successfully, and what was the IP address, what the browser used, and the date and time. So you can check all the user activities here. This is also very important when you are implementing the ERP system. It may be very useful for your organization. Now I will take you to the dashboard again to view the rest of settings, features one by one. This is the super admin login, so it is showing the maximum optimum things that is available in the system. There will be certain users level, and all users will be able to access the system parameters modules according to their user roles. So this is being the complete roles, and you are being the super admin. You have to consider this. So watch this video until end. You have to understand the complete data flow before you start the system, before you buy the system. However, it is not mandatory that you have to use all the modules available in the system. You can use your required ones, like inventory, you can use purchase, quotation, and accounts. Wherever is applicable, whatever you want to use, you can go for this. But yes, these all features will be available in the system itself. So let us go to the project. So project is a thing where we can add new projects. What we are taking forward in our organization. So this is project screen. Okay, so this is preloader in fact, and I'm going to show you the project screen. Okay, so you can add new projects, like you can add the default team and the projects, and the new project add screen will show you all the information that you want for your project. Somehow it is not available for in demo instance, and you can invite people at your projects. Like these are projects, and you can check the project labels, what is going in the project. So this is the demo instance from developer itself. Somehow it is not working. I'll definitely check with the developer. But yes, these are the things available. Next is the purchase module, where we can invite the people for using this module. So in a project, you can set all the things like you want to use in a project. This is a module. Project is a module. So every navigation, a main navigation is a module of ERP system. It is totally up to you how you want to use these modules, and you can even keep these modules unused just in case if you don't need for the organization. Like I'll move to the next module. This is sale module, that is very important for every organization, I believe. So if we are using the sale module, this is the sale screen, and I'll try to show you all these things very quickly. So this is one of the sales summary screen, and here you can add a new sale. So I'll show you already created sale here, and in a particular sale, you can edit payment, sales returns, shipping details, order details, download the sale details, challan, download, clone to sale, clone to quotation, delete and print. So these are the all things that you can handle with a single particular sale entry. And what you want to do, like if you are willing to edit the existing sale, so this is the complete screen at which we are going to add the sale. Like this contains all the information: PO number, sale product, due date, total amount, and all these charges, and even the order note and all. So mail can be sent to the users. Similarly, you can add a new sale. I'll take you to the new sale screen so that you may update all the, like you can add a new sale here. So this is the thing that basically being used. Like sale is very important module for every ERP module. You can add a new sale here, and you can add new products or whatever you want to do. You can do the actions and also things. So sale return is another screen. So you can use this screen as well. Main branch and the approved, and select one. So details, you can check all the details that is available in sale return. Okay, so next is contacts. So contact management system is nowadays very important, because we used to have all the contents at computer and the ERP system, so that we may further use those contacts for our interaction purposes. Like we can have this in this option. Okay, so this is add new contact option, and you can select the different roles, and you can definitely create the roles of contact, and you can save all these contacts, like supplier contacts, customer contacts. Okay, so it is internet is something down. So you can store all the data like supplier, customers, and there is basic settings as well for this contact. Particularly, you can go for setting like login permissions and enable or disable. Customer ledger you can keep as your sale contacts, and similarly you can keep the supplier ledger. So you can add a new customer and all such things, and you can check all the details here. So this is ledger. So supplier ledger and customer. This is some sort of report that is linked with the system. Next is product module. You can add new product list. So if you are dealing in physical products, so you can add new products, and all details of products can be added here. And further, print option is also here. You can select particular product, and print options are also here. In a combo product, you can add individual products. You can add. I'll show you the add new product screen. This is going to be very helpful for adding new products. So, like product type, single product name, product SKU. This is very important thing, and the product dimensions, length, and the all details about that particular product, and even you can put the text format details. You can create the product categories. So if you are dealing in certain type of products, you can create products category wise. Similarly, you can create brand, model, unit type, and variants. So if you are in service, you can create new services. So it is going to be work like a service. You can add a new service as your product, and you can simply provide the service to your client at your from your organization. Next module is inventory management. If you are dealing in products, inventory is going to be next thing that you might be willing to handle through computers, and this is the complete inventory management system. Like add opening stock, you can add new opening stock, a stock quantity. You can select the products, and you can further select the products, and you can update the opening stocks, receive your product, receive costings like stock transfer, and also things will be available. So you can add all these details like stock transfer, stock list, product movement, stock adjustments, and the product info. So these are the things that you can handle in the inventory. Similarly, purchase is a module. So this is also very important in an organization. If the purchases are going inside your system, inside your organization, you can use this screen for adding new purchases and new orders. So you can add new orders and the stock alert list, just in case a stock is going to be in, you can create the stock alert list like this. I'll show you. You can select supplier, and you can stock alert like number, supplier, and the product and all. Similarly, CNF option. So you can use this new CNF. So this is also quotation is the next module that is available at your system, and you can create new quotations. Like I'll show you. You can add a new quotation and send it to your respective clients as per your requirement. These are the details that you can add in a quotation. Okay, so accounts is the next module that is again equally important for any organization. You can add new expenses, and the expense list can be maintained here. You can add a new expense list, and the add income lists, bank accounts, opening balance, chart of accounts, debit voucher, credit voucher, contra vouchers, general voucher, and the reporting. So for accounts module, reporting is very important. So a report has been given separately for this module, and it is really very helpful system that you can use for accounts module. Like you can get all these reports like transaction report, statement reports, profit and loss reports, account balance, account by income by customers, expense by supplier, and the sales tax. Next is the transfer, like it is transfer of goods and products, services. So this is complete transfer details. So next is the location. If you are working in multiple branch, you can set the location at the system, and you can transact between your branches, and then you can add new branch, add it to the existing branch details and all. Similarly, warehouse can be another requirement for different branches, so it is here. HRD system is again a very hard thing that you need for your organization optimization and organization automation. So the complete human resource system is here. You can add new staffs here. You can add staff details, and you can. So I'll show you the screen that can add new staff. So this is the basic information about staff, bank info, payroll info, and all. So you can decide the role and the department. Attendance is again a useful module if you are choose one, like admin attendance, and you can search the attendance of any particular user, present, late, absent, holiday, and you can add new. So attendance can be marked through this system itself. And further, you can get the attendance report as well. And the next is the event section, that is different events that is going to be organized within the organization. You can details. Payroll is an integral part of HRD system, so you can check the payrolls here and it will show you all the details, and the pay slip option is also here. So just in case if you want to generate the pay slips, it can be used. Next is the payroll reports. Loan application function is also here, loan history and loan approval status. Leave management system comes next to the HR system, and you can add new leave type, and the leave details can be updated here. Add new types, leave type, leave, define, apply leave. Like this is an apply leave that can, the same system can be available for users as well. User can apply for leave application, giving the regions and all. So this is a very interactive module. Pending leaves, holiday setup, and the carry forward leaves can be handled. So carry forward leave always a challenging task, so it is available here. Okay, so system setting I have already shown you. So I believe these are all the screens, and that is available to a super admin in this ERP system. Now I'll take you to the another login of the system so that you may understand what is the level of different users. Now this is the admin login of ERP system. This is Open Source Business Management System, and now we are logged in as admin. So you have already seen the super admin that can have the complete potential, and this is the admin login where the admin is handling all the things. Like this is again project access that is available to a admin, and sale access, sale return, contacts, products, inventory. So this is going to be the next level. I mean the level below the super admin, and the admin can do all these activities like inventory management system, purchase, quotation, accounts, as we seen in the super admin. So this is one level down from the super admin, and it is going to be your manager if you are owner of this organization. So you can create a admin login for your manager who is completely managing the system, but he cannot change the setup of the system. This is the difference. So you can have all levels of login for this open source business management ERP solution, and you can have the solution just for $49 by following the video description link that is available, and that is Code Canyon, from the Code Canyon, and you can follow the affiliate link that is available. You can read all these descriptions. You'll definitely get the documentation. Just in case if you need support in installation or basic customization about this system, we are readily available, and you can get in touch through the Calendly link. We can schedule an appointment for further discussion, and we can go for this ERP solution with the point of sales. So I believe this is enough layout that I can show you in this single video, and you can explore the system at your own, and the credentials will be available here. So you can go for the exploring the idea, and you can buy the system once you like the system through the video description link. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution that is available for creating a digital asset, and let us meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.